Hello and welcome to the Dance Movement Therapy. It will only take 10 minutes for you today to gain control of your body and your state of mind. The method we'll be using today is called body part isolation, and it was found by Rudolf Lagan, one of the people who was doing a lot of analysis and research on how movement of separate body parts affects the whole of our body. Later on, this method was used by one of the founders of the dance movement therapy, Marianne Chase. In her clinical practice, she noticed that patients who were practicing this method felt much less stressed and had a sense of control of their body and their mind. Why does it work? You probably know that our mind, our psyche, and our body are deeply connected with each other. When we are feeling stressed mentally, our body responds. Our muscles get tightened, our whole body wants to shrink, the breath becomes shallow. So when we start to open up and move each of our body part gently, we are able to release something that is held in our body, and as a result to release our psyche. Through this whole body practice movement, you will feel how you are the one who designs your body movements. You are the ones who decides how your body moves. If this is something you need, that this is something you are looking for, please stay tuned and we will begin shortly.